Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to create desktop shortcut for the installed app on Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on Apps and select View Apps. Apps window will open. Now click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window and select Manage Apps from the drop-down menu. On this page, you can view and manage all the apps that you have installed. To create desktop shortcut for these apps, click on the three dot icon next to the app. Select Create Desktop Shortcut from the drop-down menu. As you can see, desktop shortcut for the app has been created. Now you can easily access the app using the desktop shortcut. This is how you can create desktop shortcut for the installed app on Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.